Oh my god, my parrot doesn't want to talk to me. Look at him. Why don't you want to speak to me, boy? Come on, Hawking. One last time. Hawking! You just don't want to do it.
All else fails, we will build it once again.
Come on, Hawking. Hawking, subscribe. Subscribe. I'll just keep at it till he says something. Just wait and see. He'll talk. Hawking, subscribe. Come on, you're free to go. You're free to go. Get out of your cage, bro. Come on. Come on, get out of your cage. Come on. Come on. Let's come. Don't bite. Don't bite. Ah! Come on. Come out of your cage. Ah! Ah! Subscribe. Subscribe. Ah! Ow! Come on, speak to me, boy. Hawking, Hawking, Hawking! Subscribe. Subscribe. Hawking, subscribe. Aww. He likes it. You wanna come out now? Come. Okay, try and get him out of the cage because he doesn't let me do it. Wow, that easy. Oh my god. Boy, come here. Ah! Okay.
He doesn't like it.
Kasha, kasha, kasha.
He laughs at you.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Okay. Okay. Subscribe. Okay. Okay.
So my parrot just doesn't want to talk. In the meantime, we'll just take a break and take my head off because I'm so damn tired of this parrot. But in the meantime, we'll just try and fix my broken headphones. Oh shit, I think I just made it worse. Woo! Let it loose, let it loose, let it go wild. But we're going to try and fix this shit with my solder over here. We're going to try and solder it back together right here. And then I'm going to use some tape. Oh shit. Now it's definitely broken. You know what? I'll work on it later. But for now, let's just break our heads how to make the damn parrot speak. He's coming, guys. He's coming. Come to Papa. Come to Papa, boy. Hawking, Hawking. Come on, speak to me, boy. Hawking, Hawking, Hawking.
Hawking, 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 Hawking. Subscribe.
Subscribe? Yeah, subscribe. Hawking, Manu. Yeah. Subscribe. Oh my god. He said it so many times. Hawking. 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 Subscribe. 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 Kasha, kasha, kasha. Ah.
I so love you.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Okay, so just when I thought to go out and take a break from making my parrot speak all the whole day, it started to rain because we wanted to go out and play Pokemon Go. There's some Mewtwo that we wanted to catch. But you know how we do it. It doesn't matter if it's raining or not. We're still going out to play Pokemon. Yo, I don't know if you guys can see this because it's raining outside. We're in the car. But look at him. Oh my god. This is us playing Pokemon Go. Doesn't matter if it's raining or not. We're still heading out to get in range of the gym. At the palace over there, we need to catch the Mewtwo. But it's still raining and everyone's in their cars. There's one guy out there in the rain, just waiting for the rain to start. Let's join him. I don't got an umbrella.
Suddenly, pineapples.
So guys, I got a lot of these lottery tickets. Whenever you go and fill in some gas in your car, you get these babies. First prize is this red car, second prize is the yellow one, and third prize is the cross. And we got a bunch of these. This isn't all that we had. We had like a gazillion of these. This is the last pile, and we're going to deposit them in the service station.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Good morning, my fellow watchers. After long days of grinding, we finally got our parrot to speak. We got Hawking to speak. It's on my video log for sure. My vlog, that is. And yeah, we had a fun night yesterday. We played Monopoly. And of course with Monopoly, there's a little chance you finish the game. And it was so late, so we didn't finish the game. And by the way, I cut my hair. And I really love it. Yeah! Woo! By the way, brothers, I'm not a coffee person, but more of a juice kind of guy. So let's take a bite and see what we think of this delicious meal that Silly Siggy made for us. Bit of the chicken.
Crispy, spicy.
I love the spices in these potatoes. And the chicken is so sweet. It has this delicious sauce in it. That's so sweet. Super. But anyway, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to punch the like button in the face and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and don't forget to follow my parrot Hawking. I'm gonna add his link in the description down below. His name is Hawking the Parrot on Instagram. Whenever he learns a new word, I'll make sure to put it in his stories or posts or whatever. I'm gonna update you guys on everything. Look at this. And I think I made it worse. So let's just stop.